Hello, smilers. I am smiling, so I exist. You are smiling, so you exist. We all are smiling, so we exist. प्रोफेसर पाक जेवू। स्माइल पार्टिकल मेडिटेशन में आप सबका स्वागत है। We 11 of us are very proud who are the old students and had a blessed chance to be with Sujog journey from the beginning in India. We started this web smile meditation series for corona pandemic. Today is our 11th episode of season 1. Today we are smilingly ending this episode with the sole intention that these 11 episodes have given you the desired results. ना आप ये ना सोचिए कि आज के बाद हम नहीं मिलेंगे। नहीं, इसके बाद हम जब भी जो भी प्रोजेक्ट या सिचुएशन या रिक्वेस्ट हमारे तक आएगी, हम उसके लिए नेक्स्ट सीजन में फिर से स्माइल मेडिटेशन के एपिसोड्स लेकर आपसे बार बार वाबस्ता होंगे, मिलते रहेंगे, जुड़ते रहेंगे। हम सभी की आपसे एक ही दरख्वास्त है, रिक्वेस्ट है, इल्तिजा है कि आप आज तक की जर्नी में जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसके साथ साथ इस मेडिटेशन को अपनी रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस में रखेंगे और जब तक पेंडेमिक है तब तक अपने हेल्थ को, हैप्पीनेस को हार्मोनाइज करते हुए हिम्मत से आगे बढ़ेंगे। कोरोना पेंडेमिक अभी जारी है और अगर हम स्माइल मेडिटेशन में रहे तो कोरोना जिस वजह से क्रिएटर ने हमारे सामने रखा है और जो सिखाना चाह रहा है तो हम वो सब सीख पाएंगे, हमें आपसे यही उम्मीद है। ये सही बात है कि कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस में मेडिटेशन करना, उसका पावर बहुत अलग होता है, साथ करने में मज़ा भी बहुत आता है। लेकिन दोस्तों, हमारी सबकी जर्नी हमें तो अकेले ही चलना है और जीना है। देखिए तो लगता है जिंदगी की राहों में एक भीड़ चलती है। सोचिए तो लगता है जिंदगी की राहों में भीड़ में है सब तन्हा। और ख़ासकर जो सोल जर्नी है वो हमें अकेले ही तय करनी होगी। हम अकेले आते हैं, अकेले जाते हैं और जो अपग्रेडेशन होता है कॉन्शियसनेस पर वो अकेले ही होता है। इस बात पे मुझे एक मेरी ज़िंदगी का वाकया याद आया। जब हम छोटे थे, हमारे स्कूल में हमारे एक बायोलॉजी टीचर थे। वो मेरे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिय थे और मैं आज भी उन्हें बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ। उसका कारण ये था कि वो हमें सिखाने के लिए इतने अलग अलग तरीके यूज़ करते थे कि हम वो सब्जेक्ट आज तक भूल नहीं पाए। एक दिन उन्होंने क्लास में एक ट्रे में एक बॉटल रखी जिसके अंदर एक बटरफ्लाई थी और एक ट्रे में छोटी 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 इल्लियाँ थी। उसके साथ साथ कोकून, 4 कोकून थे। हुआ ये था कि कुछ दिन पहले उन्होंने हमें बटरफ्लाई की लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बताया था कि बटरफ्लाई अंडे देती है, फिर उन अंडों से इल्लियाँ बनती हैं जो पत्तों को खाती जाती हैं, खाती जाती हैं, खाती जाती हैं और इतना खा लेती हैं कि बहुत मोटी हो जाती हैं, और जब वो बहुत मोटी हो जाती हैं, चल नहीं पाती, तब उन्हें नींद आती है। तो वो अपने लार से एक रेशमी रज़ाई बनाकर अपने आप को पूरी तरह से ढक कर सो जाती है। कुछ दिनों तक जब वो इस नींद में होती है, तब उसे ना खाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है ना पीने की, क्योंकि उसने इतना खा लिया है। कुछ दिनों बाद वो लार्वे धीरे धीरे इस रज़ाई से अंगड़ाई लेते हुए बाहर आते हैं और एक सुंदर बटरफ्लाई बनकर उड़ जाते हैं। उन्होंने ये लाकर टेबल पर रखा और हमें कहा कि देखते रहो। उस दिन तो क्लास में एक महोत्सव था। बच्चे सारे हम लोग इतने एक्साइटेड थे, हम बार बार जाके वो इल्लियों को, वो कोकून को और वो बटरफ्लाई जो बॉटल में थी उसको देख रहे थे। इतने में हमने देखा कि जो कोकून थे वो हिल रहे थे काफ़ी, और बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से हिलने लगे। और उसी समय रिसेस हो गई, मैम तो स्टाफ रूम चली गई और हम लोग वो कोकून को देखते रहे। और कुछ ही देर में हमने देखा कि एक 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 फूटती जा रही है और उसमें से छोटी छोटी बटरफ्लाई निकलकर उड़ गई। 3 बटरफ्लाई उड़ गई, चौथी वाली हिल रही थी और वो बाहर नहीं निकल पा रही थी। तो हमारे साथ के 1-2 बच्चों ने सोचा कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं, तो चलो इसको हम मदद करते हैं। और हम लोगों ने उसकी रज़ाई थोड़ी सी हल्के से खोल दी। थोड़ी देर तक तो वो हिलती रही, उसके बाद उसके हिलने डुलने में काफ़ी धीरे पड़ गई, धीरे धीरे हिलने लगी और उसके बाद हिलना डुलना बंद हो गया। हम इतने घबरा गए, पता नहीं क्या हुआ। और इतने में मैम क्लास में वापस आई। उन्होंने देखा, जैसे ही उन्होंने ट्रे को देखा, शायद वो समझ गई थी कि हुआ क्या है। एनीवेज, तब तक वो 3 जो तितलियाँ, छोटी छोटी बच्चियाँ उड़ रही थी, हमने मैम को बताया कि देखिए 3 तो उड़ी हैं और वहाँ बैठी हुई हैं। वो हुआ। उसके बाद मैम ने कहा ठीक है, छोटे बच्चे अब बड़े हो गए हैं, उड़ने लायक हो गए हैं, इसकी माँ को भी खोल देते हैं। और उन्होंने जो बटरफ्लाई शीशी में बंद करके रखी थी उसे खोल दिया और वो उड़ के बाहर गई, तो उसके साथ साथ उसके दूसरी छोटी बटरफ्लाई भी बाहर चली गई। फिर मैम ने हमें बताया कि आप लोगों ने इसके स्ट्रगल को देख के सोचा कि ये परेशानी में है, मुसीबत में है, और अपने अच्छे इंटेंशन से उनकी हेल्प की। लेकिन बच्चों, एक बात समझिए कि जब हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो वो मुसीबत नहीं है। हर बार मेहनत बुरे वक्त का ऐलान नहीं होता, हर बार मेहनत अपग्रेडेशन का ऐलान होता है। तो जब भी हमारे क्रिएटर हमें ऐसी सिचुएशन में डालें कि हमें मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है, तब आप सोच लीजिए कि स्पॉटलाइट आप पर है और आपके अपग्रेडेशन का टाइम है। प्रोफेसर पार्क ने हमें बताया कि क्रिएटर्स लव्स अस सो मच बिकॉज वी आर हिज चिल्ड्रन। प्रोफेसर पार्क ने हमें ये भी बताया कि क्रिएटर ने हमारे लिए इस दुनिया में इतने सारे सुख सुविधा के साधन बनाए हैं। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि क्रिएटर ने हमारे लिए क्या क्या बनाया है? देखिए, इस दुनिया में, इस रियल वर्ल्ड में, हम लोग तो जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं वो हाईएस्ट कॉन्शियसनेस से बने हुए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पर गेस्ट हैं शायद, और कंज्यूमर भी। अगर हम इस दुनिया को डिवाइड करें तो हम इसको 4 भागों में बहुत आराम से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, जैसे ह्यूमन किंगडम, प्लांट किंगडम, एनिमल किंगडम, मिनरल किंगडम। अब देखिए, ह्यूमन प्लांट को कंज्यूम करता है, साग, सब्जी, फूल, पत्ते, फ्रूट, यहाँ तक कि प्लांट्स के जड़ भी हम अपनी औषधियों में यूज़ करते हैं। सच है ना? उसी तरह हम एनिमल के चमड़े से लेके उसके दांत तक को यूज़ कर लेते हैं। कई बार तो अपनी ग्रीड में इतने मगरूर हो जाते हैं कि अगर हाथी का दांत पसंद है तो हाथी को मार दिया जाए और दांत ले लिया जाए। कहीं ना कहीं इस बात पे हमें सोचने की ज़रूरत है। उसी तरह नमक से लेकर आयन तक, नमक से लेकर लोहे तक, सोने से लेकर चांदी तक जो भी यूज़ होता है कहाँ से आता है? मिनरल किंगडम। ये सब मिनरल किंगडम का भाग है और ये सब हमारे पर समर्पित है और हम इनको बड़े खुशी से, घमंड से यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बिना ये जाने कि एक बार थैंक यू बनता है उनके लिए। प्रोफेसर ने हमें ये भी बताया कि भगवान ने हमें खुश रखने के लिए, हेल्दी रखने के लिए, हमारे बॉडी में जो बीमारियां आएंगी उसको किस तरह से हील किया जाए, ये डिवाइस भी अंदर ही इनबिल्ट फिट किया हुआ है। शरीर में बीमारी है, करस्पॉन्डेंस सिस्टम लगाइए, प्रेशर लगाइए, मोक्षा दीजिए, आप अच्छे हो गए। मन अशांत है, तन अशांत है, मन में गड़बड़ चल रही है, इमोशन डगमगा रहे हैं, बिगड़े हुए हैं, आप जोन सुजोकी कर लीजिए, मेरिडियन सुजोकी कर लीजिए, एथरिक बॉडी के हार्मोनाइज कर लीजिए, आपके इमोशन शांत हो जाएंगे, आप मन में खुश हो जाएंगे, जो विचलित पना है, जो अशांति है, वो शांत हो जाएगी। यहाँ तक कि भगवान ने हमें सोल को हार्मोनाइज करने का भी इनबिल्ट सिस्टम दिया है, जो हमें हमारे मास्टर प्रोफेसर पाक जेबू ने बताया है। यही नहीं, उन्होंने तो ये भी बताया है कि अगर आपकी पास्ट में कोई परेशानी हुई हो तो हम पास्ट लाइफ में जाकर उसको हार्मोनाइज कर सकते हैं और आज की ज़िंदगी हम खुशी से जी सकते हैं। प्रोफेसर ने ये भी बताया कि अगर आपको फ्यूचर में एनर्जी देनी है तो आप किस तरह अपने आने वाले कल को एनर्जाइज कर सकते हैं और हार्मोनाइज कर सकते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, मुझे बताइए, और हमें क्या कारण चाहिए स्माइल के लिए? ये बहुत बड़े कारण हैं, इसके लिए हम स्माइल के साथ जी सकते हैं। प्रोफेसर ने हेल्थ किस तरह रिस्टोर की जाए, हीलिंग कैसे की जाए, ये बता दिया। फिर उन्होंने ये भी बता दिया कि अगर आप हेल्दी हो गए हैं तो उसके बाद अपनी हेल्थ को कैसे मेंटेन किया जाए। उसके लिए उन्होंने स्माइल ताई ची, स्माइल योगा, स्माइल समवन डोंग, समवन गोंग, ये सब हमें सिखाया। इतने कम टाइम में बार बार हर साल आते रहे, सिखाते रहे और इतने बड़े बड़े कारण दे दिए हैं कि हम स्माइल में रहें, हम स्माइल को एक्सपीरियंस करें और हम स्माइल वर्ल्ड में स्माइलिंगली उस पर्पस को अचीव करें जिसलिए हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम 11 ऑफ अस आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप इस जर्नी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। दोस्तों, ये याद रखिएगा कि जब भी स्ट्रगल है तो बुरा नहीं है, और स्ट्रगल है तो स्माइल पार्टिकल भेजिए, उसको समझिए, एक्सेप्ट करिए और मेहनत करिए। दोस्तों, स्ट्रगल अच्छे हैं। अब मैं स्माइलर भूपिंदर जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आज का स्माइल मेडिटेशन वो गाइडेंस दें और हम सब उनके साथ चलिए मिलकर स्माइल मेडिटेशन करते हैं।
Smile greetings to everyone. Today we are here to participate in this smile meditation session. We are very thankful to Professor Park Jebu for giving us this beautiful subject, smile meditation, smile meditation. Really, we are blessed to have this subject in our life. Today, because of this subject, we are standing with great power in all difficult situations. We can smile in all situations. So, smile is also not just lip corner going up. Smile has deep meaning, and we understand this deep meaning with the help of tri-origin theory. And this tri-origin theory has helped us to understand smile meditation very deeply. So he is perfect. Every particle has come from his womb, Creator's womb. So when everything has come out from Creator's womb, then it is perfect for sure. It is smiling. Every dust particle, all things, everything in this universe is expressing his perfection. Only thing is, there is latent smile only when we open, we realize, we understand his great essence, his perfection essence. And with this understanding, when we smile, this inner latent smile opens and creates many miracles. Even behind the suffering situation, even in the mid of diseased situation, or even inside the cancer cell, there is hidden, there is smile which is latent. Once we open this smile, this disease can dissolve, because he is everywhere. Please try to understand this important point. हम कहते हैं ना, कण कण में भगवान है. फिर इसका क्या मतलब है? If he is present in every existence, then it means there is possibility of miracle in all situations. That is why we should understand that this smile is not just lip smile. Try to see smile in all difficult situations, in all difficult diseases. And once you understand that he is everywhere, first of all, your fear is vanished. No fear, no suffering sense. Because suffering sense does not allow us to open, and we become very closed. We understand this essence deeply, that he is everywhere, in every soul, in every physical particle, and in every metaphysical particle. Only thing is, we need to make connection with this latent smile. Then he has given us opportunity. Human beings are blessed. Human beings have highest level of wisdom. So with his wisdom, he can understand him, how he created this universe and how he is operating this universe. And once we understand that how he is operating this universe, then the sense of suffering is dissolved. So when everything is created by him, everything is expressing smile and perfection. See these beautiful flowers. They don't have lips, but yet they are smiling. Beautiful colors, beautiful fragrance. When you see this flower, you smile, and the fragrance of this flower touches your soul. These flowers can activate smile on so many people's face. So these flowers are expressing their perfection, and more they express perfection, more beauty they receive from him. Same way, human beings, if we express our perfection more and more, the beauty of your smile should reach every corner of this world. Whoever you meet, it should touch everyone's soul. And if you can succeed in making other people smile, it means you are also spreading your fragrance. Express your perfection. And human being has the best opportunity in many ways to express his perfection. He has given you many talents, many beauties. We should focus how we can express our perfection. Lip smile and also many other things. Not only plant world is smiling, but animal world is also smiling. We are all one with origin smile. Every existence in this universe is smiling. Yes, sometimes we don't see smile on face because only human beings are blessed to show this continuous smile because of beautiful muscle system on face. But if we have this beautiful system, smile system implanted on face, then we should use more and more. Such a beautiful God system. He is smiling through every existence. Sun is also smiling. You can see how sun is expressing his perfection. Beautiful sunlight. Without sun, we cannot even imagine our life. This is smile. This is smile of sun. Sun's smile touches all existence. And we are benefited with sun's smile. This is also beautiful smile. Moon is smiling. Nature is smiling. Insect world is smiling. We are all one with smile. Beautiful colors, beautiful flowers, beautiful natures, beautiful insect world, beautiful variety. What is this? This is perfection. This is smile. When we see rainbow, this is smile. Mountains. Mountains are also smiling. Galaxies. Everything in this universe is smiling. So whole universe is smiling. So it is not only just lip smile. If we understand that everything in this universe is smiling, it means this is perfect smile world. So even in the darkest of situation, try to understand the beauty of smile, because smile is hidden in every particle, in every situation, and in every existence. Just we need to knock this latent smile. Open this smile and knock this smile. Once you succeed in knocking this smile, miracles can come. Many miracles can come in your life. All sufferings can dissolve. And all beauties can come in your life. Once your soul smile is activated, then you understand all his scenario, that everything is perfect and everything is wonderful and miracle. But mind is very hetero. Mind goes here and there. And that is why Professor Park Jae-woo introduced 4 types of smile meditation. mind smile meditation, body smile meditation, soul smile meditation, and life smile meditation. Some people can easily connect with him through soul, very easily. But not everyone can do. Some people can connect with him through mind, some people can connect through body. So there are many variety of people on this earth. And Professor Park Jae-woo knew it as per cryo-origin. Via soul channel, this is not everyone's cup of tea. Some people just with dancing can make connection or can touch the grand smile perfection stage. Some people just with mind smile meditation can touch grand smile perfection stage. And that is why all types of smile meditations, all these 4 kinds of smile meditation is important to reach grand smile perfection stage. So when he taught us body smile meditation, all smile tai chi, smile yoga, smile gymnastic, all this is part of body smile meditation. When your body is smiling, naturally your mind can also smile. You know, generally we say that body follows the mind, but mind can also follow the body. And Professor Park Jae-woo gave us so beautiful techniques. You can choose any way. You can go via mind smile or you can go via body smile. So when your mind is smiling, when you have positive thoughts, always thinking good in all difficult situations, and always with your wisdom you understand that all these sufferings are just part of universal drama. This mind smile is activated. And Professor Park Jae-woo gave us so many techniques. If your mind is not smiling in this moment, invite some beautiful, joyful scene from your past or imagine something good future, so that positive thought is created in your mind and you can smile. Once your mind starts smiling, then your body starts interacting and also starts behaving with smile. Rhythm comes in your body. Many times you must have noticed, when you are very happy, you like to dance, you like to move. Yes? But also there is one more way. Sometimes your mind is not smiling, but with the help of some body movements, joyful movements, even if your mind is not smiling, just try. If any moment, if you feel sad, just put on good joyful music and start dancing, even if your mind is not feeling good. When you move, and when you move with joy and smile, this body smile is activated. And once body smile is activated, then naturally your mind can also become smiling. So there are 2 ways. Either you activate body smile and invite mind smile, or you activate mind smile and invite body smile. Beautiful ways, you know. Some people are very hetero type of people, you know. It is very good if they do, body smile. And if some people, homo type of people, they can do mind smile. So, body smile, mind smile, if these 2 smiles are harmonized, then soul smile naturally blooms. So this is how body smile, mind smile. When it touches this harmony state, soul naturally blooms in this harmony. All power, all wisdom, all beauty is coming from soul world. But this soul beauty comes only when your mind and body is harmonized. That is why you have to be with determined mind. You have to take actions to create mind smile and body smile. Only with determination you will succeed. And when we talk about mind especially, emotions, reasons, all are part of mind world. And especially emotions. Emotions, when you understand emotions, we have good emotions and bad emotions. But after understanding the real essence of smile meditation, then no emotion is bad. All emotions are good. And when we can understand this concept, then we can work on ourselves. This is so beautiful. Information given by Professor Park Jae-woo about emotions. Because when we talk about mind smile, these emotions are part of mind world. Actually, each emotion you see here is part of his system. If we say that he has created, because all these emotions have come from him. He has given us, he has created in our system. And he did it for our existence. We required all these emotions for our self-existence. Only thing is that if we have these emotions in moderate pattern, then these all emotions are good. We need fear sometimes also, we need agony, we need all these emotions. If you meditate, has positive effect also. If any emotion is bringing progress in your life and in others' life, this is neutral emotion. Sometimes you have to show anger. Sometimes you need to show hatred for some neutral purpose. That is why we cannot say that all these emotions are bad. So don't feel guilty if you have any of this emotion. Only thing is, we need to meditate that all these emotions should stay in moderate pattern. And this is very simple. Once you perform neutral group emotions, that is smile, generosity, admiration, love, sympathy, praise, gratitude. And when you are practice all these neutral group emotions in your routine life more and more, then all these hetero group and homo group emotions very naturally become moderate. So if you really want to activate your mind smile, if you really want to be in smile state, then in your daily routine, in your situations, in your actions and reactions, all these emotions, modesty, generosity, love, praise, you have to express more and more. That is why when we say smile, then this is not just lip corner going up. This smile has modesty. This smile has generosity. This smile has admiration. And this smile has gratitude, praise, sympathy, love. And this smile has morality. This is called real smile. And when you are with this real smile, then all these hetero group and homo group emotions naturally becomes moderate and smiling. So, please pay attention to your smile, not just from lip point of view, but from body, mind, soul, all levels, you have to smile. And when your body, mind, soul all smiling, then your life smile is bloomed. But then you have to do efforts. Without effort, this will not come. For your body smile, try to do smile yoga, smile tai chi, Samvan Dong or Samvan Gong. Or you can just do smile dance. Turn on your favorite tunes and shake your body with smile. Move, clap and dance. Our stuck emotions hold tremendous of energy. And then when you do this kind of physical activities, beautiful rhythmic, joyful movements, you can allow this stagnant energy to move fluently, and it can become smile energy. You have to move anyhow. Nature cycle is also moving for clearing out the stagnant energy. That is why we can understand this, and we are learning from nature. So do something. Take action. Body smile, mind smile, and then soul smile. For your mind, move your thoughts to good direction and train your mind to see good in all situations. And then also, sometimes take care of your soul. Though when your mind and body is aligned naturally, your soul is blooming. And also you can do some extra efforts. Take time to reconnect with your internal self. Go for a walk in nature. See, appreciate sun, moon, flowers, birds. Bring your awareness to the beauty of nature. Do mindful breathing meditation with smile. Read or listen anything which connects you to Him. And when all these sections are smiling, naturally it has impact on your personal life, family life, social life. Smile is not just lip smile. Smile is everything. You are never alone. He is always with you. Your journey was started in mother's womb from one tiny cell, and then some force was deeply involved. That force created every part of your body. Great miraculous force, great power. And this power is always with you. This power is not separated from you. This is real, great power, which is always with you. You were being made in secret, very beautifully woven in mother's womb. And this power, the same power, never leaves you. It always stays with you until last moment. Only thing is, now, this is the moment when we need to connect ourselves with this great power. Our soul is silently working day and night. There is a great force which is operating all your systems your respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, your brain, your nervous system. Science can study all these organs, but some force is enabling all these systems to work day and night. We can touch that force with our soul. This is beautiful smile world. He is everywhere, everywhere. And Professor Park Jae-woo taught us, you can connect to him very easily with smile. This smile, not only physical smile, but also it has the essence of metaphysical beauty. With the metaphysical power of smile, you can touch his power. And in calmness state, when you touch his power, this power can do wonders in your body, in your life. When you smile with realization of his beauty, then your physical smile and metaphysical smile both are enhanced. Every time you smile, actually you are blessing your brain. And when your nervous system and brain are smiling, when your headquarters is smiling, then this smile energy reaches every corner of your body. And then this smile energy can dissolve all disease particles, or it can transform all disease particles to smile particles. This smile is his smile, because behind this smile is his beauty. There is compassion, there is kindness, there is sense of gratitude, there is praise, there is celebration, there is morality. And once this smile is activated, your headquarters smile, your physical smile, your metaphysical smile is activated, then all smile vibration reaches every corner of your body. And this is the real medicine. This is smile medicine. Every moment you should try. You should activate your smile, because this smile is more important than any other medicine on this earth. You need millions and billions of smiles. You have to smile 24 hours even when you are sleeping, because since many years, because of our lifestyle, we couldn't touch the real essence of smile. But now we have to open our smile. Our real smile is the main essence. We have millions and billions of cells in our body, and each cell has smile within. Even disease cell has smile within. We have to tap to that smile. We have to smile more and more, so that we can touch the latent smile hidden inside the disease. And smile so much that it becomes your habit. as Professor Park Jae-woo explained us, that your lip smile has another essence also. When your lips are smiling, most of the time, your brain mechanism is influenced. You can see your lips have correspondent areas of brain. So don't take it easily. Your lips, not only physical smile expression, but also this is expression of metaphysical beauty. When you are smiling, this smile energy is reaching first to your brain, and from brain it is reaching, it is going to every part of your body. And once you achieve full face smile, then great smile energy reaches your endocrine system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, immune system. So lip smile is starting, but when this head smile is over flooded, you know, like rose smile, like sun smile, and then with the eye smile, when the smile you feel on your eyes, this eye smile can touch your mental smile, and this eye smile, your peaceful eye smile, can send smile to your endocrine system. Just close your eyes now for a moment and smile. Smile. Continue your smile till your all sense organs of face become smiling. Feel so much of smile, overflooding of smile in your face. With relaxed mind. Don't do hard efforts to smile. Allow your soul smile to spread gently. Because now in this moment, your mind is calm, your body is calm, your eyes are smiling, your nose is smiling, your lips are smiling. This face has round shape, has big meaning. Through your head, you can connect very easily to zero world. Zero world is here, not very far. Only thing is, you have to sense this connection now. Smile. With beautiful, peaceful smile. One by one, every part of your head is smiling. Your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Once your face head smile is activated, once your head face achieves the state of calmness, calm eyes, calm breathing, gentle calm smile, then this gentle smile starts flowing and reaches your nervous system, endocrine system, respiratory system, circulatory system, immune system, skeleton, skin, and all energy system, your digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system. Every day, at least once in a day, you should sit in calm position. Allow yourself to feel the calmness. Calmness is already inside you. When you allow yourself to experience, it will come to you naturally because it is part of you. It is always inside you. You don't need to search here and there. Breathe in with smile. Don't do efforts to breathe because breathing is His work. Just see how He is breathing through you, as if baby is breathing. Breathe like baby, without any involvement of mind. Just see how you are breathing with smile. Smile. Now, without words, just stay with your inner peace and calmness for a few seconds. This is great opportunity actually. Because we are here together is not by chance. It is His plan. He did it. We are just tools. He is pushing you to smile more and more. He is sending you so many symbols. And He is pushing you to smile. He's always there actually with us. But don't expect Him to come in front of you in physical form. He will send many opportunities in your life and many symbols in your life when He is helping you to upgrade. He is guiding you every moment. Only thing is, we should be receptive to absorb His message. In this pandemic time, He is guiding us to open our inner power, because He is there. There is golden point inside you. This is His throne, His kingdom. He is sitting there. And He says, "Come to me, my child, I'm with you." Only with smile you can essence His beauty. You are perfect. He is perfect. Everything in this universe is perfect. You will receive infinite wisdom through this channel. Good health, divine medicine, prosperity, success through this channel. Of course, yes. Initially, you have to do some efforts. You need some tools. You need postures, mudras. You need it. You need also sujog sometimes. But finally, you should not stop. You should go next, until you reach His smile perfection, which is inside you already. The more you become closer to Him, you will find yourself that one by one, naturally, all tools which you used in the past for smiling, now you don't need all those tools. Your smile will become eternal smile. Already it is, but you will get the realization. You have to go next. Many situations in life will come and go. Just play your role as per your best capacity and move forward. Whether it is disease, whether it is family situation, personal situation, just perform your role with smile, with wisdom, and go next. Go next. You have to become like a rose so that your fragrance spreads everywhere you go. And once you start spreading this fragrance, naturally, all your suffering and all your diseases will dissolve. Your level will be raised, and all these suffering situations will become very tiny in front of you. Maybe they are still there in your life, but you will become very strong because His power is blooming now, because you are allowing His power to bloom within yourself. Smile. And with this smile, you have to move. Not only just one time in meditation posture you are smiling, but everywhere you go, you meet people, you interact with people, even in traffic jam, even in difficult situations, pandemic situations. You are moving ahead with this realization that I am not alone. He is within us. Great power is within us, and this realization will add smile, more smile, more smile. And one day will come when your this self-realization, your this smile will touch many people. Not only your life is changing, but many life changing. And then you will understand, wow, this is my real purpose of life. First, I realize my smile, and then I help all others to realize their smile. And then we all together can experience Smile World. We all are breathing with smile now, with determination that I will smile in all situations. And this smiling has wisdom, maturity. Sometimes physically you have to stay quiet, calm, without lip corner going up. But inside there is understanding, there is maturity. This is also smile. Don't suppress your emotions, because all these emotions are beautiful, but on the canvas of smile, all these emotions are shining very beautifully. So, when you find that you are in excessive or deficient group of emotion, immediately knock yourself, remind yourself that this is all universal drama. This situation will come and go, and then come back again to smile. Stay with smile always. Your inner smile journey should continue, and never be satisfied that you reached the perfect state. Try. In this trying, your life will become very blissful, because He is infinite. His perfection is infinite. We are flying towards Him with the wings of smile. You are calm, I am calm. And now, before I open my eyes, I will promise to myself that I will take care of my smile. Don't allow any situation to damage your smile. Your real smile is already inside you. Origin smile is already inside you. Great power is already inside you. All these physical scenarios are just universal drama. So, with determination, I move forward with smile. And from this moment, in all my actions and reactions, I will express my smile wisdom, and I will do my best as per my smile wisdom. Thank you so much. Thank you to Existence Spirit. Thank you to Professor Park Chief. Thank you to everyone. Take your time and slowly, you can open your eyes with a promise to yourself, with a determination that I'm going to change my life and I will take all possible steps to make myself full smiling state, and then I will spread smile wherever I go. Thank you so much. Thank you.
वाह, क्या मेडिटेशन था। थैंक यू सो मच भूपिंदर जी, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। एकदम से कामनेस और सुकून आ गया। दोस्तों, इसके बाद आप इस सीरीज़ में हुए मेडिटेशन को बार बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं और इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए। जब पेंडेमिक शुरू हुआ था तो हम लोगों ने इतना सीरियसली किसी ने भी नहीं लिया था और सोचा नहीं था कि ये इतना सीरियस हो जाएगा, इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा। लेकिन कुछ समय बाद धीरे धीरे डर लगने लगा और फिर हम लोगों ने स्माइल मेडिटेशन का ये सीज़न 1 शुरू किया। सीज़न 1 में 2 महीने से लगातार स्माइल मेडिटेशन की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो आज लगता है कि डर कहीं ख़त्म सा हो गया है और कोरोना को थैंक यू बोलने का मन कर रहा है कि इस पेंडेमिक की वजह से हम सबको थिंकिंग टाइम मिला, फैमिली के साथ क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करने को मिला, अपने बारे में सोचने का टाइम मिला, अपनी हॉबीज़ को अचीव करने का टाइम मिला। क्योंकि इसके पहले तो ज़िंदगी की आपोधाबी में, भाग दौड़ में हम लोग इतने कुछ व्यस्त और बिजी थे कि हर चीज़ को दफना के, अपनी ख्वाहिशों को दफना कर, सब चीज़ को साइड रख कर यही एक्सक्यूज़ देते थे, क्या करें, करना चाहते हैं, पेंटिंग का बहुत मन है लेकिन टाइम नहीं है, इसका मन है लेकिन टाइम नहीं है। लेकिन आज क्रिएटर ने हमें टाइम दिया है, थिंकिंग टाइम भी दिया है और मुझे लगता है इसका सदुपयोग अगर हम करेंगे तो ये अपग्रेडेशन टाइम ही होगा। When we can't go out, go within. There is a wonderful world within ourselves. It is a real world for us, for me. So please travel within and regularly smile meditation, smile mantra chanting की प्रैक्टिस करिए। डेली मेडिटेशन करने से हार्मनी, हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस सब आपके साथ बनी रहेंगी. Let us explore the real world. Please remember the basic steps of meditation. Clearly remember intention. For what are you planning to meditate? Second, occupy quiet, cozy corner for your undisturbed time. Third, invite smile particles and smile breathing. Then send smile to yourself, family, friends, and planet Earth. Specific intention for personal and professional issues. Close meditation with gratitude. Be with the smile the whole day. Remember, Professor Park said, good is good, bad is equally good. So whenever there is a struggle or situation, be ready smilingly to work hard for upgrade yourself. Keep smiling. We are looking forward to meet you again. Smile. Thank you. Smile. Bye.